When did you start feeling that nothing brings you joy? The things you once enjoyed have withered, and you cannot think of anything you want to eat, meet, or do. It's not just simple fatigue, but a state where the joy of life itself seems to have vanished somewhere. Ancient wisdom does not turn a blind eye to this feeling. It says that joy can be lost, but it can certainly be regained. A long time ago, a sage confessed from a place where everything was lost. Restore unto me the joy of thy salvation. This confession is special because it's not about forcing joy through willpower. It's not about artificially creating joy, but quietly asking for it to return to its original place. You too can say this when you're feeling apathetic. You don't have to whip yourself into shape. Just quietly open the space where joy can return. Ancient wisdom knew exactly where joy comes from. Joy does not come from external conditions. It's not something that gets filled up when you have more, achieve more, or get more recognition. The fullness of joy already exists in a deep place within you. It's not in your salary, achievements, or relationships, but in the greatest part of your inner self that you can reach right now. So, this wisdom asks you, where is your joy right now? What are you most afraid of right now? This apathy, these joyless days, feeling like they will last forever. But ancient wisdom says, weeping may endure for a night, but joy comes in the morning. The night you're going through right now is not the end. Like the changing of the seasons, like the night giving way to morning, joy will certainly return. This wisdom, which has survived for thousands of years, testifies to this truth. Your morning has not come yet, but it will. Ancient wisdom says, those who sow seeds with tears will reap with joy. This is not just a word of comfort, but a law of nature. Like a farmer who sows seeds in dry ground, the moment you endure this difficult day, seeds for joy are being sown. Apathy is not incompetence. Like earth that endures winter and prepares for spring, your inner self is quietly preparing for the next joy. Enduring is sowing. Here, ancient wisdom shows a remarkable reversal. Joy is not a result, but strength. We usually think when good things happen, then we'll be joyful. But this wisdom says joy comes first, and that joy itself becomes the strength that moves you. A small joy can be the engine that fuels away a joyless day. Don't wait. Don't wait for conditions to be met. Choosing joy first, that choice itself becomes the strength to start life anew. Then, how can we reawaken joy? The method ancient wisdom teaches starts from something very small. Think of a moment when you lightly smiled today, a meal that tasted good, a brief moment of sunshine, a song you liked a long time ago. Joy doesn't come from grand events. The seeds of joy are already sown in those small things you've forgotten. Today, do something that makes you slightly lighter, even if it's just one thing. Joy is not something to find, but to reawaken. To those who have lost joy and motivation, ancient wisdom says, joy has not perished, but is just asleep. The night of weeping will pass, and the morning of joy will certainly come. Tears sown will become a harvest of joy, and joy itself will become your strength. May this wisdom bring joy back into your life. Share this video with someone who's going through the same apathy, and let's support each other with